Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get followers on Pinterest account. Keep watching the video till the end. To get followers on Pinterest, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The homepage of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Go to the search box and search for the profile that you'd like to follow. You can also tap on manage or filter icon at top left corner of the screen. From the pop-up, tap on profiles. Make sure that you follow more people in order to get the follow back, and that's how you will be able to get more followers on Pinterest quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.